Macro and close-up photography. It's easier than you may think, and it's super fun. Here are some tips that will help you get started. Start with whatever equipment you may already have, and then experiment by taking close-ups of small subjects. They're everywhere. You are surrounded by them. Fruits, vegetables, leaves, textiles, toys, just to name a few. To begin, try something that doesn't move. Something that doesn't have a heartbeat, maybe. Then, after you get some practice, you can go to the land of the living. But start slow. Once you pick something to photograph, prepare it for its close-up. You may want to use a tripod to stabilize your camera. Fine-tune your composition by moving the subject around, but not your camera. If you're shooting a small object in its entirety, position it so that there's even space around it on all sides. If you want to capture a pattern on something, move your subject around until the pattern fills the entire frame with no gaps. Use manual focus. Try focusing on different areas. You'll be surprised how much your image will change when you focus on a slightly different part of your subject. Take your shots and see how they look. Try different backgrounds or different surfaces, or move your subject so that it's lit from a different angle. If you love what you see and you want to up your game, consider getting a macro lens. The difference in quality and detail is huge. Check out this close-up shot of something you all have in your home. This was shot on a typical kit lens, and here it is cropped a little closer. Now here's the same shot using a macro lens. And here's something else you're all too familiar with. Here's the close-up. And here's using a macro lens. They both look pretty annoying, but if you still want to up your game, but you aren't ready to invest in a macro lens, come into Horn Photo and talk with our experts on macro photography. We'll show you other options such as extension tubes, close-up lens filters, and more. Got the picture?